Turns the camera on.
Yeah, right.
Right.
You're not mic'd, you're fine.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, you guys ready, right?
So for you guys,
Yeah.
talk into the mic. If you're going to talk into his chest.
All right, got it.
All right,
I'll
cool.
do this if I need you to be louder.
Will do.
All right. This is a shortcut for a Python. So basically, you have two scripts of Python. So basically, you make a bat file for a notepad on Windows. So basically, you have to tell the system to start those two different Pythons files and open the Google Chrome's file. So first thing you need to do is you have to change your target into test1launch.bat. You have to have bat so it can run the program. And to run this program, you need to start two Python scripts. And the only thing that you notice that you can compare a mistake. So you have to open this to make a Python order to work. Right. Yeah.
So what are you guys doing with Google Chrome?
We do Google Chrome because you can do it in Firefox, you can do it Google Chrome or Internet.
Basically what we did is, just to kind of make it more interesting for myself, is I just took the two scripts and just tied them to the to a Google Chrome shortcut. So then it runs both the scripts and then starts Google Chrome, so it just happens.
Yeah. Well, that's how you're starting it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Gotcha. Cool.
cool. You guys ready for the next page?
So this is the main script for the actual keylogger part of it. There's a second one that actually works on taking those the logs that it writes and emailing them to a Gmail account. But basically, the way it works is it's just got a string buffer, and every time a key is pressed, it adds that character to the current string, and then whenever the spacebar or a kind of normal character is pressed, it pushes it to a just a plain text file. Yeah, you can read the actual code there, but I also added an escape event, so just whenever the escape key is pressed, it just kills both those processes, and that was mostly just so I didn't have to go into the task manager to kill it all the time. Yeah, that's the basics for the logger script part of it.
And this script is mostly for the emails. So what this script does is that it reports all the definition that needed to be used in this Python. So basically, every 5 minutes, you started their program. 300 seconds, that's 5 minutes. So basically, it was sent directly to your email account. And up here, you see, this is our email, and this is our password. So you have to use this script so it can go to a Gmail server. So in order to log into your Google account so it can save the files on the text. So every 5 minutes, it saves the text. You can change it. And you want longer or you want shorter. Either way works.
So when the email actually gets sent, this is the format that it gets sent in. There's kind of a weird one in the middle there, but it basically takes the text file and attach it to an email, and back right, where's that? You can see the date-time formatting right there, and that's just for the subject line, which just made it easier to kind of sort through them when they get downloaded. I didn't actually attach one of the log files, but yeah, it's just line by line, basically words. And they're just all plain text.
So you want to look at the codes more carefully, or you want to use these code source you are welcome to go to this site, and you can basically use it again, or you can basically try it out.
Yeah, I attached the email script, the logger script, and also that batch file format.
Yeah.
Obviously, that stuff has to all get changed, or a lot of stuff has to get changed when you actually use the code for your own system. But the basic outline stuff you can see there.
Do you guys have any more questions to ask or anything?
I got one. What is a keylogger?
Keylogger that records every single keystroke that you type on your keyboard without even notice, and
Alright.
saves in my file.
Why would I want that?
You want that because, for example, you want someone to log into your account, and you want to know what their password, email account, in the background. So basically, you can see the text in the background without notice. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Any more?
All right, we'll give it to the first mentees that presented.